In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Planner 5D. So there's a few ways to do this. The first one is when you're inside your plan, you want to go to the top here and click on comments. You can click anywhere on your screen, like this, for example, and add a comment. So for example, this is the main room, and then you can click on this icon, this arrow, and that's going to kind of post the comment, and whenever somebody hovers over it, they'll see your text, okay? So that's the first way to add text. However, you could also use mood boards. So you can go up here and then hover over the three dots and click on a mood board, okay? So when you click on add mood board, you can choose one. I'm gonna just select, for example, this one over here and click on add, and then it's going to link it, and by default it's gonna pop up down here bottom left. You can open it like this in a separate tab, and then when you do so, you'll be able to, of course, essentially just kind of type things in here and then see them on the mood board. So for example, I'm going to type in hello there like this, and if I just move this to the middle over here, if I go back, you'll see if I go back to content, it's going to essentially take me over there where you can basically see your content, okay? So I lost it again right now, but you get the point. That's essentially how you can do it, okay? So that's basically how to add text. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.